Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Sophie on your screen again. Guys, on today's video, you've already seen the caption, so I'm just going to say it again. On today's video, you guys are going to be coming along with me. You're going to stay here and get ready with me for Val's Day, for a Val's date. Oh, for Val's Day. Okay, first of all, today is not even Valentine yet. On Sunday which is 4 days from now. Yeah, 4 days from now. And yeah, I just wanted to create a Valentine's Day inspired look, a look that you can actually recreate if you have a date on Valentine's Day. Yes, so without further ado, let's get started with makeup. Yes, I'm going to start with makeup. I'm going to do makeup, and then after makeup we're going to test some outfits and you're going to tell me which one you would wear on a Valentine's date. Yeah, let us get into the video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
So guys, this is not a makeup tutorial of any sort, but you guys are going to follow me step by step. I'm going to show everything that I'm doing for this makeup. Yes, and this is just like a makeup inspiration, an outfit inspiration in case you don't know what to wear if you have a Valentine's Day. Before we get into this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment as you are watching. Yes, I'm going to be using this Younger Beauty primer to prime my face. I have a combination skin, so I don't really sweat on my face or produce so much oil on my face that much, but I do produce oil on my nose. Yeah, not all the time. So I just wanted to point this out there just in case you have a different skin type, maybe an oily skin or something. You don't want to go out and be really sweating. Yeah, you get me? Yes, you don't want to do that. I'm guessing that you already know what works for you. Yeah, guys, while we are doing this makeup, I am going to be just kind of chit-chatting with you guys. Yeah, so stay tuned. And the first thing I just wanted to point out is, guys, all my life, in my entire life, I have never experienced Valentine's Day. When I mean experience, this stuff, someone will say, will you be my vow, let's go on a date, like going on a date or even getting gifts on a Valentine's Day. I've never experienced that. And I feel like Valentine's Day, there is nothing really special. It's not like if I get gift I wouldn't take, or if I get invited on a date I wouldn't go. You get me? Yeah, I'm just trying to point out that I don't feel like it's like a very, very serious occasion. And besides, what I understand about Valentine's Day is about showing love to the less privileged, showing love to those people that don't have love, I don't know, just showing love generally, not really the romantic kind of Valentine's Day we are all seeing on social media and all of that. So yeah, let me not talk too much because this is 4 minutes already. I don't have concealer right now, so I'm going to be using a lipstick palette. Yeah, it's been a while I got this lip palette. I bought it from Trend Hive on Instagram. Yes, and I'm going to be using this white lipstick to conceal my face. Yes, guys, this is like a trick in case you did not know. And I don't use cream contour. I've never been a fan of cream contour. I just felt like I feel like it's a waste of time and product. Maybe I will use cream contour on my nose on a day I have time and energy to do that, but I am not doing that today because I feel like I have a powdered contour or bronzer. Okay, yeah, I was talking about something, having not experienced Valentine's Day in my entire life ever, like going on a date on a Valentine's Day. I've never experienced that before, and yeah, I have never gotten a gift for Val's Day, and I've never given anybody a gift for Val's Day. Yes, guys. And what are your plans for Valentine's Day, guys? I want to know your plans. You guys should let me know in the comment section. Let me know your plans. Are you going on a date? Is your boyfriend doing like something special, taking you out? Or you guys are just going to stay home and chill? Or you're going to the motherless babies' homes, or trying to do something nice for people on Valentine's Day? What are you doing? I just want to know, like, what are you doing on Valentine's Day? For me, if I had the resources to like go out and make people happy in this Valentine's Day, like show people love, I would have done that. But I really don't have the resources to do that, so I'm going to stay at home and probably browse through. No, I'll be going to church actually. Yeah, Valentine's Day is on Sunday, right? So I'm going to be going to church actually, and yeah, that's it. Nothing special. Okay, guys, for eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Mood Beauty Arusha palette. Yes, Mood Beauty. So guys, I'm applying the eyeshadow in my inner corner and outer. Okay, and I'm going to use another brush and take Bonica. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and I'm just going to use it for my crease. Yep. So remember, we are not really doing too much, but we're doing too much. Yes, guys. So guys, yeah, and just right after all this, you should just try to like blend everything out. What am I even doing? This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm just like kind of showing you guys how far. Okay guys, I'm going to pick up another brush and I'm going to take these glitter eyeshadows and apply to the middle right corner of my eyes to just give it that not trying look. You know, I'm trying, but I'm not trying. You get what I mean? So yeah, remember, you really don't want to do too much, but you want to make an impression when someone is like, when you look down, like when you're going all like, then you look down, you know. Yeah, I'm going to use this Got to Be glue and brush up my brows, and we'll be right back to finish up this look. Okay guys, I'm done with the eyes. I am just going to quickly dust off the powder on my face and then do my lips, and we are ready to move over to outfit. Yeah guys, and I feel like these eyelashes I applied with this eye look is just too dramatic, but I don't have any subtle lashes right now, so just in case you're trying to recreate this look, try to like use a subtle eyelashes that is going to let your eye look be seen, because this one I need to understand what's in the happen right here. I'm telling you, I'm not understanding it. So yes guys, I'm going to quickly do my bronzer and get right back to you guys. And by the way, I am going to be using this Violet Voss bronzer palette. Yep. So yes guys, this is the makeup look. Let me know what you think about it. And yeah, so guys, we're done with the makeup look. We are going to go right over to outfits. Let us dress up, and I'm going to be wearing different outfits. You guys are going to help me choose what to wear for my dinner date for Valentine's Day. Yes guys, yeah, just let me know which outfit you would wear for your date on Valentine's Day. And
this is the first outfit, and the quality of this gown is really thick, and it's really short too and skimpy. It just depends on your style, and we already know black is gold, so black can go for any kind of occasion. Yeah, and I think I got this outfit from Pretty Little Thing. I can't remember most of the outfits I'm going to be showing you guys. I can't remember when I got them, and it's been a while since I got them. Now this is the second outfit. Oh my god, this gown can be styled in different patterns, and it's doing a lot. We already know that. Yeah, you can pair most of these outfits with a black heel or a clear heel and just move with your purse or your handbag. Yeah, and this is the third outfit. I love this gown. It has this, the material of this gown is like it's in sort of like a mesh. I seriously, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll leave the name of the material on the screen so that you guys will know. But this gown is, it's speaking classy, it's speaking sophisticated, and yeah, I love it. I really love it. Now the fourth outfit is this silk gown. I really love it so much. I really love it. It's doing a lot. This is classy, this is sophisticated, this is okay. I'm ready for anything, and it's just showing, it's showing, it's bringing out the whole curves. Yeah, that's what I mean to say. So among these four gowns, guys, I would love to know which of them would you rather wear to your dinner date. Yeah,
guys, 4 outfits. Let me know which you would wear for a vows date. Okay, yes, I would love to know. So leave that in the comment section. Okay, and yeah, I think we've come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, leave me a comment in the comment section, and make sure you share this video on your Instagram stories and WhatsApp stories. Yes, I would really appreciate that. Yes, and if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month. Yeah, spread love by at least giving me love, and that is by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Yeah, and without plenty blabbing, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Yes, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.